Hello everybody, now we are here for live trade and education video. Hello for everybody. Now we are going to see how we operate with the trace and the signals which come through the Alpc Matrix system. When you look the EA part of the trade, MT4 trade system, you see the Alpc Matrix. You drag it on your chart, any chart you can drag it, and you can then look the proportion, check the proper values there. And when you close the property part, then you're going to see the welcome signal of the system, and you just hit OK and then get in there. And as you see, you got there the sign boxes, and when you click the sign boxes, you're going to get into that parity automatically, and then you can do whatever you want to do according to the sign. Now we are going to show you how you can make more powerful and profitable wins using the system. We are now using our demo account, and we're going to see how much we are going to win. For example, for one lot, our aim is to make for one lot $9 win. That is our main aim, to make small wins, but to open as much as possible trades, so that altogether we get a bit more money. But don't get too much in a hurry. Try to get minimum levels like $9 for one lot, so that you can guarantee your wins. We use this system generally before the news or after the news, the economical news. Surely, economic news times are always dangerous. You can never know what's going to happen, down or up. There's instable the system. Therefore, we use the system after or beforehand. We need a bit more periodic time level. Everything what you need is actually in the Alpc Matrix system. Just need to click the buttons, the sign buttons. Now we got here over $118,000 in our demo account, and as you see, the trades what we made beforehand, they are all wins. These are all from the signals which are coming from the Alpc Matrix robots. Yeah. Now we got here the USD cat signs, and we click it and we get in automatically this parity. As you see, there is a upwards trend, absolutely upwards trend in system. And now we need to shoot for this SL trade, and now we open SL trade and we click the one lot, and we get automatically TP and SL values, the lines, TP and SL lines for this trade. And this down part of the screen you got some information, upper part you have some information. The spread value surely is very important, because we get small profits, therefore we need small spreads to get more profits. And we continue our trade here, adjustment, and wait surely up to we get our profits. This can take a little bit of time surely. At the beginning it's always a bit minus, that's because of spread, but with a while that will turn into a plus. Here we got a situation. We got here the TP line, but we changed the small strategy of this TP and SL, so therefore we choose them as 0. This means we take them away. We change our strategy and change it to one lot here, because it's not absolutely predictable what's going to happen. let's risk with less lot in discretion. My advice is you to do your trades after and under, not parallel, a lot of signs, a lot of trades. One trade after another, so that we control the system every time. Here you can change the value of the profit line. You can put either the dollar value or the value of the parity here. You can change between Canadian dollar and the American dollar here, depending on where you click. Because we work with dollars, obviously these are deposit money, and you see automatically the dollar value of this parity. We got here a lot of signs, and our budget is very high there, so we can choose also other signs. And here we have our all lots, and we choose one lot and make the buy trade, because as you see it is a downwards trend, and it's a very down position now. One lot buy, and we choose one lot down, and we get automatically the TP and SL values, and we see also how much we are going to win with this TP and TP value. The spread is a bit higher, but we trust still our trade here. As you see, when we have these lines, and with these lines you can see the predictable value which is going to reach this trade with the buy process. If there's going to be a upward trend now, then we're going to see this upward trend is going to up to the end of this green line. And if it goes further, as you see, we have this dotted line. This dotted line shows automatically that the trend is going to go up to going to follow this line, through a dotted line further. But the green line end is our most predictable point. Let's look to other signs. You gotta evaluate these signs very, very carefully, because there can be always some tricks inside of it. As you see in this signs, there's confusion here. I mean, what we need is a clear downward trend or upward trend, but after this downward trend there is a upward trend, and then it's again down, again up. This is a mixture, this is confusion. We are not sure about this, where this is going to be. This is going to go further, down or up. So it's not so good to trade here, so we just give up here and close the place, close this trade. Here, as you see, we got this clear sign and so on. Let's look to other. Well, as you see, Norwegian kroner, Mexican monies there. They have always too high spreads, and that is a bit difficult to make profits. Let's say small profits with these high spreads here. There we have to think logical, otherwise we can have some troubles with our trades. As I said, high spreads are always dangerous. Let's look at our other trades where we give sell, and you see it goes down.
Sell $9.25 winner.
The system says you that you made your win with a nice voice. Our aim is to open, let's say, around an average 10 trades with every profit of 9.75, for example. Obviously, depending on lot value, this trade profit value is going to be higher. We choose again, make this trade, which is again choose again one lot to get our TP and SL value. In this way, normally we open our trades. Euro, Austrian dollar, we can get it. We make a buy and choose again one lot, one system, and we got here TP value, not a SL value, I'm sorry, it's not a SL, we get here TP value, because we are sure that we're going to win there. Well, in this way we it's better to aim for 10 trades. And you can think, if you have $1,000, you can open with one lot. If you have $2,000, you can choose 2 lots. If you got $500, then you can open with 0.5 lots. but it's always better to open a maximum 10 trades. This is my rule. You can surely make your own rule, you can try it by yourself, but the best way is with high lots to make maximum 10 trades. The red signs means that these are checked, these signs, these finished, checked and finished.
By $9.99
nice
winner.
voice of our win. This means the trade reached the TP value and closed. Actually, to be frankly, if you see the spread is high, it's always dangerous to make a trade there. This volatility is too high there, and we can't make our targeted profits here. Difficult. Let's say your psychology is out of order, you are demoralized because you got here a high minus value. But if you want to be sure, let's click the button live.
By $9.43 winner.
You can see the ratio of your money which you lost to your margin. And when you see this is just a small value, you don't need to think about any panic. You don't need to get in panic. Now we try. Yeah, sometimes it takes a bit longer up to it gets to win. Sometimes it gets a bit faster. Here you see an downward trend, and the downward trend goes further. And when it reaches our TP value, then we hear the nice voice of our win. In this way, when you open your trades one by one, it's better for you, but you have to wait up to trade it gets finished. In normal situation, we got here 118,000. This means we can open a trade with 118 lots, which is theoretical, surely. Yeah, you can see the 100 lots, 122 lots, or 100. Or 50 lots. You can choose whatever we want, but it's not good obviously to trade with 200 lots or whatever is it. If you got a lot of money, then 10 lots are enough for high margins. In this way, with this system, you're gonna make money, but you gotta be in discipline. Don't jump into any old trades. Check the trades. If it is clear, if you got a clear upward trend or downward trend, then you get into the system. Our aim is to get small profits, not to make big profits on one time. Small profits, a lot of trades. Some companies don't let you to make such kind of small profits. It's also possible, because they say that you make scalping. This is not scalping because you open trades in different parities all the time, and different values and different times. We open again a trade here. We put the one lot strategy again there, TP value you get there. And we see this number, the value state, the money values, this is too high there, the minus value. And you got to get over this psychologically. You shouldn't stuck in there and always think about this money loss there or something like this. It's not a loss, it's just the situation now because of the spread. With your high lots, you get this big minus value. Never get into panic, that's very important. Go always further. Trust the system and wait. This work with 1 hour, 1 minute. And you see there the downward trend. Let's close this place. Straight. Let's go further. GBP cat. We see there is a very powerful upward trend, and now it's going down. So we use directly sell there. We will sell there, and we close the TP value, and then we make our own one lot TP value so that we get this $9.75 profit. The Canadian dollars are generally for 1 minute charts, but our system works with 5 minute chart. So we get in there, we get the trade in this point. Here we got here the sell signs. One lot makes sell. This looks like a plain panel to try. The faster you are, the more you make money. The slower you are, you get into danger. There's no time to think. You have to act fast. Put the lines and see the predictable value. If you open you see the arrows there, wherever it goes up to there. Goes up, what's going to go down up to that position. Switzerland, my franc and Japan yen. We opened there this 10 lot trade just to see the numbers, the minus numbers in psychological way, so that what kind of stress you're going to have when you see this minus values. But normally the professionals, they turn it into pips value, and when you see the pips value, they are lower obviously. At the down part you see obviously the lost, but if you see the pips there upwards, it's a bit more normal, let's say, to have this minus value as pips. So surely this is now $300, but it can be $3,000 or $30,000, which can disturb your psychology very powerfully and let you get into panic. But there is no panic. There is no need to panic to behave here, because our system is powerful, trustable. Just take care of your trades when you get in. Get into clear trades. Further, we're going to talk also about a bit more finer, let's say, stuff of our system. The system is very big and a lot of details. Some trades take longer. Usually we wait always up to we get our profit. We always wait. No place to lose any money. If you wait, you get the money. You got to be patient. Forex is patient. To be clever doesn't help you. You got to be patient all the time. And don't forget, 96.5% of the people lose here. Why? Because they don't have a system. If you got a system, you get in this 3.5% of the people where they make you win. But don't hurry.
Sell $9.25 winner. Gad.
All our trades are in win. They always get in the win. Why? Because we look for small profits. We get our profits and get out all the time. Get out fast, as no system allows you. As you see how powerful is the system. You got here 6-7 robots. You got here the possibility to get into all kind of parities. This robot checks all these parities and gives you the appropriate, nicely, the best sign for any parity, for any robot. Let's say any robot finds perfect match for any parity and gives you the sign automatically. You just need to get in there, see whether it's a clear sign, we have a clear downward trend or upward trend, then jump in. If you got the confusion, up and downs, no clear situation, then forget about it. No need to take a risk. We don't need to take a risk. Is always dangerous. Always dangerous. But believe me, you get surely per day more than 10 trades, more than 10 signals with clear upwards and downward trends. You see all our trades, which we wait. But usually when you open a trade with TP value, then you can forget about it. If it's a good trade, if it's a clear trade. Up to you hear this voice, sell by 9.75 sells, win. This is out. Just open the trade, click one, not system, and forget about it. Look the other signs. If your margin is small, then better you go one by one. If you got a huge margin, bigger margin, surely you can get in more trades using different signs. Here let's look up to where it goes down and up, and the periods, and you see it goes down and goes up. It's always like this before. It goes down and up, goes down and up. The most important thing is when it's going to go down or when it's going to go up. That is the moment. All our trades win. We won everything. We make profit in all our wins because we were not in a hurry. We didn't rush in. And we're going to be always successful with our system.
Sell $9.25
you
winner.
got your
CAD
news. So when you do something else, you hear that, you make your win and you become happy. Actually, it was never so easy to earn money with the system. The system looks like a little bit complicated, but it's not so complicated. You just make your win or buy, sell or buy. Just choose your lot, make your buy, and push the one lot strategy so that you get your TP value, and forget about it. Look the other side. This is a very fast activity. So you can open also your trades manually. This is a very good upward trend. As you see, it's going to go down surely at that point. When you get a sign here, the robot surely found that it's a change, time of change. That's life. Upwards, downwards. Just need to know when it's going to turn. Or your luck is going to turn. Wonderful opportunity. Jump into it ourselves. And look what happens. Hasta la vista. We go down. These are all our trades, list of the trades what we made today. All of them win. Always, it's always a win. We have been using this system for a long time, and we make every day wins. With 100% score, no loss. Just use the system, strictly. Don't do something else, don't think something else, don't get into panic, just be cool. Make your buy or sell, give the one lot strategy and forget it. And we guarantee that you make a win. Small wins, but enough to live further. Surely depending on a lots value. Lots more win. Get in the greedy, that is the most dangerous position. Most of the people, they say that, most of the systems, they say that they're gonna promise you with thousands of wins every day, or cars, or house, or whatever it is. That is not possible, man. I mean, you can't make a trade one day and then make huge money. Just be patient, do your trades, follow the signs, make your small profits and add them. Sure, you can make on the day 10 profits, on the night again 10 trades. It depends on you, how powerful you are, how irresistible you are. And you see the downward trend, slightly downward trend. Sure, you can say that it's expected because it went so much upwards and then it's going to go down. But the situation is, how can you find this trade? How can you find this parity? That is our system does for you. It finds the parity, gives the signs, you get in there and see the clear upward trend and give your sell. Makes your life much easier and you act much faster. That is the clue inside of it. So it's life much easier. Okay, our downward trend goes further and further. Sure, you can say that it goes so much down, I can make more money, but it's not the main point. This is becoming greedy. Just get your TP and get out there. If the system gives again a sign, then can you get in there. There are a lot of possibilities there. It's like a big area, big place, big gold mine. You got a gold mine here, huge. You don't have to dig in some same place. There are a lot of places there to get in there and get the money out of that. It goes pretty fast, surely the expected way of going down. You make your lines again, prediction lines, and we expect that the downward trend we're gonna go up to the end of green line. Our system calculates the place up to the trend goes down or upwards, obviously. And with those lines, you can see this directly. We made all complicated calculations for you. For now, one is in profit, one is in loss, but these are for moment, the situation in moment. It's going to change surely. You see in big picture.